Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'm going to show you how to customize your WordPress website using Gutenberg, the powerful block editor that makes building beautiful, professional sites easier than ever, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand exactly how to create striking layouts, tweak your site's look and feel, and take control of your content, all without writing a single line of code. Let's dive right in with the basics. Gutenberg completely transforms the old way of editing in WordPress. Instead of a big text box, every part of your page, whether it's a headline, an image, or a button, is a separate block. It's kind of like building with Legos, where each piece is a standalone part that snaps perfectly into place. To add a new block, head up to the top left corner of your editor and click the plus icon. This is the block inserter. Here you'll see all the different types of blocks you can use. If you like shortcuts, you can also type a slash, then the block name, so typing image, for example, instantly pops up the image block right where your cursor is. Some of the most common blocks you'll use are the paragraph block for your main text, image and gallery blocks for anything visual, buttons to highlight calls to action, and columns when you want to split content side by side. It might seem overwhelming at first, but think of each block as a mini tool designed for a specific purpose. Just focus on adding what you need, one step at a time. Now, when you click on any block, you'll notice a little toolbar floating just above it. This gives you quick options like aligning your text, making something bold, or turning a link into a button. Over on the right sidebar, you'll find more detailed settings, like adjusting font size, picking just the right color, or tweaking spacing so your content really breathes. If you're ever unsure which settings do what, try a few out and preview your changes. You can always undo anything that doesn't look quite right. Don't worry if it takes a bit of experimenting. Customizing your site is a creative process. But what if you want to move even faster? Enter block patterns. Patterns are like ready-made sections you can drop into your page. Think pricing tables, testimonials, or stunning hero sections. Instead of building each part one by one, just open the block inserter again and click over to the Patterns tab. Here, you'll find collections pre-designed either by WordPress or your current theme. Once you insert a pattern, you can swap in your own images and text while keeping the stylish arrangement. It's a huge time saver and perfect for achieving a professional look without design experience. Patterns can really help you get over that blank page feeling by giving you a creative jumpstart. If your site uses a block theme like 2024 or Frost, Gutenberg's power goes even further. You're not just editing individual pages, but your entire website structure, including headers and footers. This is called full site editing, or FSE. Just navigate to Appearance, then Editor. Here you'll see a visual builder for everything from your menus to your footers. Want to change the way all your pages look in one go? Click the Styles icon, the little half moon in the upper right, and you can set fonts and color palettes that instantly update every block on your site. It's kind of like choosing a theme for all your Lego creations at once, keeping everything consistent and polished without having to do the same change over and over. So whether you're just writing your first blog post or redesigning your entire homepage, Gutenberg gives you immense flexibility with blocks, patterns, and global styles. Remember, don't be afraid to experiment. Every change is easy to reverse, so you can't break anything by trying something new. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want a deeper dive into a specific Gutenberg feature. And if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.